Growing up, I was always a really big fan of baseball, and there was this game invented in my hometown of Lancaster called APBA, and it's a card game where you can simulate baseball games, and like extremely accurate, like statistically and stuff. And my grandparents and parents played it, and I was always exposed to it growing up, and they taught me like as soon as I was old enough to play it. A lot of my family were actually in leagues for it and everything, and they taught me, and I always just thought it was so much fun to simulate my favorite baseball players through a game that I was playing on my own. It's just a really fun way to spend time with people and enjoy a game that you love.